Yun, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, saan man kayo naroroon. So for today, this is a year of my weight loss journey. This is long overdue. This is actually a late upload. Yan, when I started, I was this big. Halos hindi ako kasya sa loob ng car. Oh my God. I was so big. Nakakatakot yung pagkalaki ko. Yan o. There, I can't even wear my shoes properly. Kasi sobrang laki ko niyan. I weigh around more than 130 kg. But when I start documenting this, yung weight loss journey ko, 124. Pero I was at 136, 137 kg when I started. Imagine now, this is how big I am. It's really, when looking back at it, parang nakakatakot. Kasi laklak ko yan. Oy. Then I started riding a bike. This is when I pinili ko tong bike na to. Nagpa-bike fit ako kasi important sa pagbabike is yung bike fit. Kawawa naman yung bike ko. Parang hindi ako kaya ng bike. Yan, important talaga yung pagbabike fit kasi pag hindi ka nag-bike fit then sayang yung effort mo. Yan, then I started riding. Oy, kawawa naman yung bike. Let's go. Kawawa naman yung bike. Sorry na. Ang laki ko. Let's go. Parang masisira ko yata yung bike. Ayun. Ayan, at first, when I was riding, talagang hindi ako umabot ng 10 kilometers. Around 5, 6, 7 kilometers lang. Pagod na ako. I have to stop kasi sumasakit na yung likod ko. Hapong-hapo na ako. Yung tipong parang kala mo, nahihilo na ako sa pagod. Kasi I was really big. And then, holy, hirap na hirap. Ang lang yan is I follow a strict diet which is yung keto diet plus yung intermittent fasting na 16/8 na keto diet. So yan, talagang willpower yan. Pero before niyan hindi na talaga ako kumakain ng rice yan, pero ganyan pa rin ako kalaki. Because there's wala akong physical exercise noon. Hindi ako puro PlayStation lang ako, puro laro lang ako in front of computer. Then ayan, I don't know what came into me. Nagkaroon tayo ng realization na we're not getting any younger. Kaya ayan, nag-start tayong magharap ng ating physical activity. Actually, bakit biking? Riding kasi we want gusto namin magkaroon ng physical activity ni partner, ni Mrs. Now we can do together. So yan nga, biking yung napili namin. This is we decided to ride on this during pandemic pero na-stop. Then just a year ago nag-start ulit kami. Before naka-mountain bike kami, ngayon nagpalit kami ng road bike. Pareho kaming naka-road bike na. So this is a sort of a bonding na rin namin. Kumbaga before, every Friday night inom na kami niyan hanggang umaga na yan. Then the Saturday Sunday Saturday usually tulog ka lang because recovering from kalasingan mo and everything. Ayan, medyo lumiliit-liit na tayo at this time. Siguro this is after 30 or 60 days na to, hindi ko lang sure, pero medyo lumiliit-liit na tayo dyan. Ayan, pero hindi pa ako nagsusut ng bike jersey, t-shirt pa rin kasi wala pa yatang kasya sa akin bike jersey. Parang puputok pa sa akin yung mga bike jersey Yan, pero at this time nakaka 20 kilometers na ako. Yan, unti-unti ko nang ini-improve yung pagbabike ko. Medyo tumatagal na ako sa pagbabike pero still I was still big. Yung tiyan ko tumatalbog-talbog pa yung tiyan ko. Let's go. Pero talagang I did before is a daily, talagang daily ride yan. And a big help is yung the diet. Kasi without the diet, kahit bike ka ng bike o kahit ganyan ng ganyan, kung di ka magjejeta, kung di mo i-discipline yourself into eating right, then nothing will happen. So it's just a combination of proper diet at saka physical activity. Yan ang winning combination to start your own weight loss journey. So sa mga nag-iisip dyan to do your own weight loss journey, you start now. Kasi tandaan nyo lang na sa weight loss journey, dapat na i-enjoy nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Hindi pwedeng miserable kayo, because kung miserable kayo, hindi sustainable yan eh. Hindi sustainable. Tipong pinahihirapan mo sarili mo just to lose weight, then hindi sustainable yan. After a month or two, pabalik ka na naman in your old ways. You need to enjoy what you do, and importante, you do it for yourself. Hindi pwede yung dahil sinabi ng jowa mo magpapayat ka na, taba-taba mo, o sinabi ng nanay mo magpapayat ka na, taba-taba mo. Gagawin mo lang yan for some time, then babalik ka na naman in your old ways. Pero if you want to lose weight for yourself, then dyan na yung makikick in na sayang naman nag-lose na ako ng weight, bakit ko pa hahayaan na mag-gain ulit. Ayan kita mo, medyo sumisexy na ako dito ha. Lumiliit-liit na tayo dyan pero medyo malaki-laki pa rin. Yan. Before Christmas, my way was ang pinaka mababang weight na na-achieve ko is 96 kg. But because of sunod-sunod yung Christmas, bagong taon, so medyo nawalan tayo ng disiplina noon. But it's okay kasi I know how to lose weight. Kumbaga yung mga pagkain na hindi dapat kinakain, hindi ko talaga siya kinakain. So it's been almost 3 years na akong hindi nagra-rice, as in literally zero rice. Yan, good thing naman hindi ako nagki-crave ng rice, pero minsan ang lakas ko mag-crave ng bread. Kasi yung bread hindi rin siya okay sa diet na sinusunod ko, which is yung ketogenic diet. Ayan paliit na ako ng paliit dyan. Hoy, yung iliit na po si kuya. Let's go kuya. Ayan may sexy na si sir. Ayan, nakakatagal na ako dyan. Nakaka 60 kilometers na ako. The longest I've ridden, yung pinakamahabang ride ko is 80 kilometers na walang pahinga yun walang pahinga. Yun sexy na si kuya yun payat na nga hindi pa rin payat, konti pa. May actually may ang tawag niyan, yung weight sa height ko, it should be 75 kg, but I don't want to be, ayoko na masyadong payat, ayoko na masyadong maliit. So my aim is to do 90 or between 85 to 90. Yan lang yung okay na ako dyan. Then after that, maintain na. So because of the Christmas season, nag-gain ulit tayo from 96, 98 hanggang ngayon. Nag-gain tayo ng up to 105.6. Ngayon we're down again to 103 kg. So a bit of discipline there. We need to do a lot of discipline, and I need to yung ibalik yung sistema ko sa pagkain ng tama. Yon. Kasi napakasarap talagang kumain if you're not going to, kung di mo pipigilan yung sarili mo, talagang yun grabe, parang kulay kahoy na ako dyan, sobrang init. Yan ang ko. Siguro at this time, siguro mga 96, 97, 9. Basta below 100 na ako niya kasi ang late ko dyan because this is the later part. Ayan to. Even my shoulder hindi na siya ganun kalawak. Medyo lumiit na rin shoulder ko. Well, anyway, yan ang aking 1 year weight loss transformation. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Sana na-inspire kayo. Salamat po sa mga nakaabot dito. And thank you, Lord, for giving me the strength to do my weight loss journey. Yon, salamat sa inyo. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you.